ordered a sticker kit off eBay, and the challenges for doing this to a modified bike, it's getting up there because the tank's a different shape. So especially you guys, that if you buy the Safari tank or the Acebus one, sticker kits probably will cause a nightmare. But we're going to test run and see how this one looks. At this stage I'm not overly convinced that it's a good choice, but there was one from another company that was on the top of the list to get, but the design, the issue was that a yellow tank and the stickers were opposite colour. So we'll give this sticker wrap a go. If it works, you know, I'll leave it. If not, I'll rip it off and I'll order the other one. And anyway, it makes content anyway. So let's go ahead. Now with this piece trimmed, I'm going to lay it on the front and see if we can get any flex to it. A little bit of Windex, just make sure there's no grease. This is going to be the trickiest. And then I'll sit like that. And then we're just going to flex it all the way across. I'm not going to take off the original stickers. I'd rather just leave them underneath. But placing this on is going to be dicey. I'm going to go for the principle that you want the sticker to sit over the hole fairly evenly, but okay. Next stage. We pretty much want to center it. So it's there and there. It's as good as I'm going to get it. Scissors. The same thing. I'm going to trim the top of this. So yeah, don't be afraid to modify the sticker to make it suit. So with the sticker wrap on, personally, I'd rate it a 2.5 horsepower out of 10. So it adds, I think the sticker adds 2.5 horsepower. It was the other brand, I'd probably say it's a 10 out of 10, but that's what this is all about. It's trial and error. If it makes the bike a little bit faster, then yeah, why not? But it does cover the fact that the front fender is a slight different yellow. It breaks up the yellow, so it gives a bit of conformity to the design. I had to trim the back sticker a little bit. It is what it is. It's just unless you heat it with your missus hairdryer or whatever, you might get get it to stretch. So I've got two little bubbles. Looks, yep, two little bubbles, which I might just put a pinhole in and see if that sucks out the air. The tank sticker is a bit sketchy at this stage. I'll give it 24 hours. I might tape down some spots. Anyway, that concludes the outcome for the sticker wrap on the DRZ, and we'll see how it goes. The next video, I should get the diode to fix the flashing indicator problem, but other than that, ride safe and keep out of trouble. Thanks for watching.